Hey y'all, I'm Hayley Orrantia and welcome to my home. Today Good Housekeeping asked me to take you on a tour of my kitchen and my closet to show you how I've organized, so let's go take a look. So welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna take you over to my fridge that we like to have hidden in this custom cabinet here. And I love it. However, it is very empty right now. But the important thing to note is that we've tried to organize here and it's on its way to being a Kardashian-esque refrigerator. So I got these bins on Amazon and I kind of just use them to keep my vegetables and fruits organized as much as possible. I kind of like them on display a little more rather than tucking them away. So it's really easy to just pull them out and kind of grab what I need. And then of course, my egg bin. Gotta have an egg bin. I keep most of my condiments and things on this side and they fit perfectly. One thing we never run out of seems to be milk. I don't know why we have so much milk. There's just two of us in here, so it's kind of worrisome. However, we do need to probably go to the grocery store and stock up on some other things. I like to keep my deli meats and cheeses in here, which it does have like a button to make sure that it keeps it fresh. But this is pretty much it. So let me take you over to one of my favorite parts of the kitchen. It's the spice rack. So because I've got my stove top and my oven over here, I like to keep my spice rack really quick and on hand. So we've got this neat little built-in here. This was how I spent the majority of my quarantine, was taking all of my spices, and I have a little funnel, and I bought these jars and these pre-made labels on Amazon, and I just spent like 4 hours just putting all of my spices in here. But I've got them in alphabetical order because I'm crazy. And it's just super easy whenever I'm cooking just to have them right here and I know immediately what I need. And this bottom drawer is kind of for miscellaneous things as well as some restock of my paper towels. So I highly recommend if you have a cabinet you can do this with, it is the way to go. So I know I told you that the spice rack was my favorite part of the house, but I lied to you. It's actually my closet. So come on in. I cannot take credit for this amazing built-in situation that's happening here. It is the previous owners, and thank God for them because it is the best amount of space that you could ever have in a closet. I've got my jewelry and my scarves that I kind of keep on this side, my long hanging dresses and outfits here. I try to keep my heavy coats and my like dresses for nighttime here. Try to keep them color coordinated, doesn't always happen. This is more springtime or summer dresses and then, you know, robes and things. This is great because we use these for like camping gear storage and ski gear. That way we have it on hand, but it's still tucked away somewhere. And then over here, hopefully using these very soon as fall sneaks up on us. I have way too many jackets. I've got blazers, stylized jackets, jean jackets, some custom merch that I had made that I was selling online a while back. And heavy coats, pullover sweatshirts, and hoodies. So hopefully I can make use of these very soon because clearly I love them. And then this is the closet I use for my day-to-day. So I'm most often in this section. You've got t-shirts, tops, blouses, pants, skirts, and then my very minimal amount of workout clothes that you can find here. Again, I try to keep them color coordinated, but it can be tough, so I take it easy on myself a little bit. But it makes it a little easier to find things. I got my hats here, and these are both hampers, which I highly recommend if you can do it, do it. It's great to have them tucked away, and they're perfect for that. Got purses, some clutches, and then the incredible shoe wall that makes me so happy to know that there's so much more room that I can start investing in more shoes. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to up my shoe game, so if you have any suggestions, just comment below. But this is definitely, as you can see, why it's one of my favorite parts of the house. It's such a smart way to tuck things away without it being distracting at all. It's easy to get to. So if you can find a way to get a custom closet situation going, I highly recommend. It's just my favorite part of the house. So let's head out this way. Thank you all so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Good Housekeeping and make sure that you check out season 8 premiere of the Goldbergs on October 21st on ABC.